someone I met on a group chat. She sent me a message after I introduced myself on the new group chat that we were in as a filmmaker, a content creator, and all of that. A few messages in, she sent me this link to a contest, and some of you may have known about the contest because the video before my last YouTube video was actually about the video I made for the contest, because it was a filmmaking contest. Yeah. And then you may also remember that one of my goals for this year is to make 20 films in 20 days. 20 days part, scratch that, it's not going to work, but the 20 films, yeah, we'll still work with that. It was like 4 days to the deadline, so I was like, you know what, I can't apply to it. I'm just going to just ignore it. But then again, I thought about it. I was like, wait, the requirement is just like a 3-minute video. Yeah, I mean, that's not a lot. I can't do a 3-minute video. To write my script, rehearse it, because I was the actor in my own film, so I had to rehearse it. I didn't really have enough time to rehearse it, but it was a story I was familiar with, so I didn't need to do a lot of rehearsals. I shot it that night. I wanted to actually shoot in the morning, but I couldn't shoot in the morning because I needed to get this moody lighting. I explained part of this in my last YouTube video where I showed behind the scenes of making the film. 2 weeks ago, I was writing my exams and I was trying to read for my next paper, and then I got a call. She was like, oh, she's from the European Union panel for the social and gender based violence. I was like, okay, wow, why are you all calling me? She's like, but that didn't mean that I won. It just meant I made it to the finals. I was shortlisted as a finalist. I had to send my cousin to represent me because I had an exam that was clashing at the same time as the award. He had a hoodie over his head and a mask over his face to eliminate any chances of me ever identifying him outside of that place. I wasn't scared. I gave him the money I had brought and thanked him for keeping my stuff. And then he asked me a question. So my exam was to last from 3 to 5 p.m. There's like about 2 hours. But I was able to finish it in about an hour and 20 minutes. So I got out of the exam hall. I went straight to their Facebook page. I saw my cousin go up. I saw all the finalists go up. I was like, okay, I hope I didn't send this girl there just for nothing, because being a finalist doesn't mean that you're going to win. Yeah. So yeah, she went up stage. And I was actually, aiming for maybe 3rd or 4th position. And then they called up the 6th position winner and the 5th, the 4th. It wasn't me. And I was like, okay, 3rd, here we come. And they called up the 3rd position winner. It wasn't me. And I was like, oh my god. I saw some people's entries, I saw them. People had a whole cast, they had a crew. But I did pretty much everything in mind. I really had my brother feature in one scene where I wanted to like film 4 legs. I didn't just want my own legs. Looking at all this effort people put, it's like, if I didn't make it from like 3rd to 6th, I probably didn't make it to the top 6 position. So they called up the 2nd and it still wasn't me. And I was like, okay, God. I mean, it was nice making it to the finals. I am appreciative of that. So, yeah, let's just know who the winner is. And then they called up the first prize winner.
Our number 1, without question, and she's not here. Please show it so that we can all refresh and know just what the winning entry was. Do we all agree? I think we should, so we can all agree. Is this Imas? And here we have the winning prize, and I'm going to give the ambassador an opportunity to tell us just what is in the box.
They read the profiles before they actually even called up the prize winners. So when they started reading the profile, I was like, God damn it. Y'all gotta be kidding me. It was so surreal, man. Thank you to Mujisat, to Samuel, to everybody who was rooting for me on the video, like the BTS video I uploaded when I said that it was for a contest. Everybody who was so supportive and was praying for me to win. I won. I didn't think I was going to win, even though you guys were rooting for me. This is a win for all of us, because now I have a freaking iMac, a 2020 iMac. Like, I'm really so grateful to God, man. God just knows how to surprise his children. Like, he just knows how to beat your imaginations. There's this verse that says he's able to do exceedingly abundantly above all you can ever ask or imagine. This is it. Like, I would, even if I was to give a list of the top 50 things I wanted God to provide for me, I would have never asked for an iMac. I never thought of asking for an iMac. But here we are. Yesterday I even had like 2 interviews on radio stations for the contest, and then I still have a TV interview still in relation to the contest. So yeah, I mean, this is just beyond just winning. This is like an open door for so many more opportunities to work with so many people. I met the other finalists. They were really amazing people. Doris, David, Twansen, yeah, and then I've forgotten the other lady's name. Like, congratulations to all of us, to the 6 of us who were called up, and to everybody on this channel who was rooting for me. Thank you, and thank you. I think I'm back from my hiatus for now. So till next week, stay safe. Bye.
Miss Haimaloyi Ojiamiaren, a student of the University of Abuja, emerged first in the competition organized by the delegation of the European Union to Nigeria and ECOWAS.